Hello, beautiful beings.
Hello.
Just shh.
Quiet.
Shh.
Quiet, okay? I'm trying to think over here.
Oh god. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. I just burped and farted at the same time.
That's disgusting.
Yes! I want to punch something so bad. You're frustrating me.
No.
Here's a phone book. I can punch this.
Why are my children so angry?
I don't know. You birthed freaking demons or something. I look like I'm from like The Exorcism. Just like. I don't know. Just randomness. I just shook the whole house. I'm all sweaty. Ooh, that did not sound good. It's hot. It's hot in here. It's hot in here. I look like a hot mess. Tiptoe through the toilets. Woo! Please like and subscribe for more randomness. I don't really know what's going on right now, but whatever. Stay beautiful, you lovely beings. Bye!